G'day! We got two Transformers EarthSparks, Wheeljack and Terran Hashtag. Found these for $1 while looking for some Bakugan. I think they just go on your finger. Originally got these to see the plastic-free packaging wrapped around a plastic toy. Instructions seem pretty clear and easy. Let's crack them open. Watch out for the tape. There's Terran Hashtag. Wheeljack doesn't really roll that much. Terran Hashtag does. But maybe it's just sliding on the counter. So we've got Terran Hashtag, the front, the back, sides, whatever. Not familiar with this one growing up. Big exhaust pipes. This one's Wheeljack, also got massive exhaust pipes. So it should be that you should be able to stick your finger in the driver's seat and transform them. Well, I guess. That one worked. Let's see this. And pull back. Okay, pry them open. There you are. That's the extent of them. And it falls right off. They don't really grip well on my fingertips. That's Terran Hashtag in robot mode. Legs do not move. Arms don't move. Head? No. No movement on the head. It's just a shell. Same as Wheeljack. Legs don't move. They're just there. Arms locked in. Head locked in. Maybe the bottom moves a bit, but incidentally. Let's transform them back. Oh, okay. That felt like it didn't want to be transformed. Roll back in the car mode. It's just collapse like this. Back in the driver's seat. Straight down. Oh, I guess we have these massive exhausts as leverage. You can squeeze that. There you are. It transformed on your finger. But doesn't really stick. I don't know if these count as finger puppets. Or perhaps my fingerprints have melted away during the cold months. Oh. It's feeling a little flimsy. Because one of these things falling apart. And it's just popped off. Fold it back in. Ready to go. Transform. And roll out. So I'm inclined to have these facing palm in. But when you read off the box, you have palm out. Oh. My legs flew off again. Pretty nifty though. Looks like the top of this one just doesn't stick anymore. Because you can't prep already. The leg keeps falling off. But size-wise, these basically just sit on your finger. Stand-up mode, it's about 7 centimeters, or 2 1/4 inches, with about a 6 centimeter, or a 2.5 inch wingspan. If you fold it back up, we're down to 6 centimeters, or 2 1/4 inches, by 3 centimeters, or 1 1/4 inches. As tall as 2.5 centimeters, or 1 inch. In terms of rubbish, disclaimer papers, the outside boxes, you'll flatten these out. Once you get rid of the plastic tape, you can open up the boxes. Less room in your garbage bin. And it's tissue paper, which you can fold out and reuse somewhere else, like I would. See you next time on The Wombles.